Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, message and energy check reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung may tanong pagdating po sa ating private or personal reading, message lang po sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's start. Aries, anong message for you? Energy check-ins for Aries placements. Okay, the Two of Swords in reverse. A decision. Oh, the Three of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo gagawa ng decision kahit ayaw nyo. Merong mga pagdedesisyon na gagawin na parang ayaw nyo naman, like kahit labag sa inyo gagawin nyo. Okay, may ganang mangyayari. As simple as ayaw nyong sumama pero mapapasama kayo. Or as simple as gusto nyo sumama pero kailangang hindi makasama dahil may gagawin kayo. Mga ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the Sun in reverse. Oh. Meron ditong person na ina-avoid mo na parang iniisip ka ngayon and they're not happy. Pwedeng air sign. Ang lakas ng air sign dito. Pwedeng may Leo rin. Okay? May nag-iisip dito. The Emperor in reverse. Meron ditong parang merong ano tawag dun? Masisipa o no, like masasaktan ng ego. Okay? Merong masasaktan ng ego. I don't know why. Okay. So, the Emperor, this is your energy. Pwedeng meron kayong sabihin natin hindi papansinin. Yeah. Okay? So, the Hangman in reverse. There's Pisces, Leo, Aries, air sign. May nag-i-stalk sa'yo, Aries. Yung taong inalisan mo, yung taong kinakalimutan mo, yung taong hindi mo kinakausap. Ini-stalk kayo. No? Itong mga to, gustong-gustong malalaman or gustong-gustong matitrigger kayo, gustong-gustong magagalit kayo, mapoprovoke kayo. And ang pinakamaganda rito is hindi nyo hinahayaan. And kung may mangyari man, mas magandang hayaan nyo. Okay? Hayaan nyo na lang. Okay? Maraming nag-i-stalk, tinitingnan ng FB account nyo, like that. Tinitingnan ko ng mga post nyo. Meron dito naghihintay na mag-post ka ng mga sad post. Okay? So, yung parang mga negative post, yan. Mga hindi magaganda. Yeah. Okay? So, next is Taurus. Okay. So, Taurus placements. Okay. Message, energy check-ins. Okay. For Taurus, please. The King of Cups. The Ten of Wands. Meron ditong parang nahihirapan. Iba rito nakakita ako dito ng BP. BP, blood pressure. Okay? Mayroon ditong parang hahapuin. Yeah. Sa mga trabaho nyo Lilo. Okay? Merong mag-check ng BP. Okay? Some of you, may person ditong parang nahihirapan kang mahalin. I don't know. Pwedeng may emosyon sa'yo itong taong to, pero nandiyan yung parang nahihirapan silang i-let go ka. The Three of Pentacles, some of you may third party dito. No? Yung iba rito, pwedeng magkaroon ng, ang tawag doon, may magsisick leave. I'm channeling. May magsisick leave. Okay? Dahil sobrang pagod na sa work. Like that. King of Cups. Yeah, the world, universe. Yes, merong person from the past still loving you. Still loves you. Okay? The devil, universe. Be careful sa mga i-intake, food, no? Okay? Baka bumisita tayo sa doktor niyan. Okay, the Three of Pentacles, universe. The Four of Cups. Yeah. Meron ditong parang project na parang hindi parang mapapabayaan. Okay? Kasi merong walang cooperation. Okay? Walang coordination. Parang ganyan na mangyayari. Parang iisa lang yung kikilos. Okay? So, yeah. Meron ditong parang may nahihirapang i-let go na third party. Pwedeng Capricorn, pwedeng Pisces, water, earth, fire, lahat naman ng signs nandito. Okay, so there. Next is Gemini. Anong meron for Gemini? Messages, energy check-ins for Gemini, please. Okay, Gemini. Oh, the Knight of Wands. Someone is attracted. Some of you may pupuntahan. Yeah, the Moon. Merong nagkakagusto sa inyo na parang palihim lang. Secretly admiring you. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Okay. The Chariot. Pwedeng Pisces, pwedeng Cancer, pwedeng fire sign. They want to commit. Meron ako nakikita ditong lilo or low-key na relation or landian. May low-key na landian akong nakikita rito, Gemini. With the Pisces. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Wands. Okay, if you're in a relationship, meron ditong nagloloko. May nagloloko dito. What's with the Moon? The Magician, yeah. Iba sa inyo, meron ditong Pisces or Virgo na may kausap. Okay? Pag masyadong disregard yung mga sinasabi kong zodiac sign if iba. Okay, yung zodiac sign ng person. Okay? Well, ito yung pinakamalakas. Okay? Yeah, the Empress. Meron ditong mangyayari like may lalayo. Okay, for the better. No, for the better. Some of you may chance na makapagtrabaho sa malayo. Yeah. Ang nakikita ko dito is like a transition from nothing, magkakaroon ng sabihin nating mga plano, may mga ginagawa, pero kailangan is hindi ito malaman ng iba, parang ganyan. And then hayaan mo lang na sila yung makatuklas, makadiscover ng kung anong meron ka. In the near future, there's something na pagbabago na mangyayari. Okay, there is growth. Okay, growth and expansion. Some of you nakita ko rito ng may May nagpaplanong bumili ng kotse, may nagpaplanong magpagawa ng bahay, magpa-renovate, like that, magkaanak, mga ganyan. Okay, so I think kailangan nyo munang i-secret yun. Okay? Para hindi masabotahe. Yeah. Okay? Kasi may mga tao na may inggit. Okay? Magagalit. Next. Cancer. So, Cancer, anong message for you? Okay, energy check-ins. Cancerians. Okay. There. The King of Swords in reverse. Aquarius energy. The Lovers. Some of you, air sign ang kakonek. So, we have here Aquarius and Gemini. Okay. The Four of Cups in reverse. May natatakot ditong totally mawala yung connection. Some of you, there's a disconnection na nangyari, but still, nandiyan yung takot nung isa. Na totally mawala ka sa reach. Okay? Yeah, the Sun in reverse. Some of them, they're unhappy. Okay? Meron ditong takot kang bitawan or takot mong bitawan because ayaw mangyaring like makaramdam ng the one that got away. Parang may ganun eh. King of Swords universe. Yeah, the Six of Pentacles. Meron ditong natatakot na parang humingi ng another chance. Yeah, they're avoiding this, no? Some of them naging indecisive. Let go or hindi. Mga ganyan. What's with the Lovers? Some of you, if you're in a relationship, someone is not being genuine. Okay? If may isa doon na parang give. Okay? Yeah. What's with the Lovers? Yeah, the Seven of Wands. A controlling partner. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Someone is like obsessive or ang tawag doon, lahat gagawin. So, nandyan yung parang nakakasakal. No? Nakakasakal. Walang mangyayari pag ganito. What's with the Four of Cups? In reverse. Yeah, death. Okay? So, magkakaroon ng ending. Magkakaroon ng hiwalayan if ever. Andun kasi yung someone is sobrang controlling, sobrang paranoid. Parang ganyan. Cancer. I don't know if ikaw ito. I don't know if ibang person. Okay? So, if ever, if you're in a relationship, mas maganda maging equal kayo or like magkaroon ng equal give and take, no? And in general, magkaroon lang ng patas, no? Fairness. Okay, hindi yung someone is like controlling or pwedeng nagkakaroon din ng codependency here, no? Yeah. Meron ditong natatakot na totally maiwan. Someone is a narcissist. I'm sorry. Okay? So, there. Next is Leo. Okay, Leo placements. So, anong message for you? Okay, Leo. Energy check-ins. Okay. Leo placements. The Knight of Wands in reverse. Okay. The Four of Swords. Sino itong pinag-iisip kayo? Or pwedeng may nag-iisip sa inyo na parang hindi raw kayo nagiging seryoso sa kanya. Yeah, may nag-iisip ng ganyan. Nag-overthink. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles, pwedeng an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay? Feeling nila hindi ka daw seryoso. Feeling nila ginagamit mo lang daw sila. Okay? Hindi ako nagsasabi nun, ha? Okay. Binabasa ko lang yung message, ha? So, ano tong Knight of Wands in reverse? Okay, yeah, the Ten of Swords. Yan. Meron ditong fire sign na you're a fire sign. Meron ditong fire sign na talagang nang babackstab. Okay? Yan ang babackstab. Kung may nangyayari ditong laro-laro, okay? Pagdating sa isang connection, nandyan yung ending. Okay? If you're parang separated from a player, okay na yun. Huwag mo na pag-isipan masyado. Wag mo na kaisipin. Okay na yun. Tapos na yun. Okay? And talagang inalis yun ni universe. Four of Swords, the Emperor in reverse. Okay. Someone's like intimidated. Nai-intimidate. Nag-overthink. Okay? May natatakot. Ganyan. The Three of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong parang takot na takot maiwan kahit merong third party involved. No? I guess, pwedeng someone is, yung legal, no? Pwedeng takot na takot, so that's why anything kayang suungin. Oo, kayang suungin. Okay, ano tong Queen of Pentacles? Yeah, the Knight of Swords in reverse. Wala lang siyang sinasabi, tanggap lang ng tanggap, nagbabaka sakali, umaasa na maging okay. Meron kayong like mother or father figure na umaasa na sana kontakin mo sila. Pagdasal sila. Yes. Okay, so there. May nag-overthink ditong magulang. I don't know why. Okay. Next is Virgo. Virgo placements. Anong meron for you? Okay, Virgo. The Wheel of Fortune. Okay, changes is coming. Virgo. Oh, the Fool. Kapag hinayaan mo na i-grab yung mga pagbabago. Nandyan lang siya. Well, it's up to you kung i-grab mo or hindi. Okay? Kung iti-take risk mo, like, kung kaya mo na umalis sa comfort zone, mga ganyan. Okay? The Ace of Wands is here at the bottom of the deck. There's delay. I don't know kung anong mga pinagagawa mo ngayon, Virgo. Yeah. Kailangan na ng pagbabago. In general. Pero I don't know kung pinipili mo, gumagawa ka ng paraan, umi-effort ka para magkaroon ng pagbabago. Some of you, dinidelay mo. Some of you, Virgo, dinidelay nyo yung changes. I don't know kung ano to, kung anong pinatutungkol nito. Okay? Yeah, this is general. Yeah, the Two of Wands. There's delay. Confusion, yan. Every time may changes, every time may new opportunity, nandiyan yung pagdadalawang isip. Bakit? Kasi pwedeng new. No? Pwedeng bago. Sa panlasa. No? Nakakatakot, syempre. Para kang pupunta ng ibang bansa ng ikaw lang, first time. Oo, parang ganun. Okay. Okay na itong Wheel of Fortune. The Page of Cups. Yeah. Some of you, forgiveness. Para makapagsimula. Okay? Forgiveness. Start fresh. Okay, clean slate. The Four of Cups. Overthinking. Yeah. Kaya nagkakaroon ng delays and pendings. Yeah, a lot of conflict, problem, drama. Okay, Two of Wands. Yeah, the Knight of Cups in reverse. Para siyang urong-sulong. Gagawin ko. Ay, ayoko pala. Gagawin ko. Ay, ayoko pala. Ganyan. No? Si universe nabubwisit na sa'yo. Yeah. Andyan lang kasi eh. Ikaw lang yung iniintay. Kung makakagalaw yan, sinakal ka na. Yes. Kung makakagalaw lang yan si universe, kung may kamay lang yan, oo, nahigit ka na yan doon sa opportunity. Some of you, nasa harapan nyo na, igagrab na lang. Hindi pa ginagawa. Okay? So, may mga person dito na gustong makipag-ayos. But, they're like, parang ganun din, overthinking, back and forth, thinking of you, water sign, Aries, fire, water. Okay? Gusto ng pagbabago, pero hindi magawa. Okay? Next is Libra. Okay. Libra placements. Anong meron for you? Libra. Message and energy check-ins. Okay. Oh. Someone is nagiging indecisive. Nako-confuse. Yeah. The Tower. Pwedeng Scorpio. The Emperor. Aries placements. And the Five of Wands. No. The Five of Swords. Excuse me. Meron ditong taong sobrang laki ng ego sa katawan, hindi marunong tumanggap ng kamalian. Yeah, meron dito. Yung kamalian niya, ipo-point pa sa iba. Yes. Kapag tinuro ka, tapatan mo ng salamin. No? Yeah. Tapatan mo siya ng salamin. Para yung turo niya, babalik sa kanya. Okay? Ano tong the Tower? The Nine of Wands in reverse. Yeah. Nakakainis yung energy na to. Nakakainis. May mga taong pinagmumukha kang TANGA. Okay? May mga taong minamaliit ka. Ayun lang yung way nila para iangat yung sarili. May mga ganan. Okay? What's with the Emperor? Some of you, visit na kayo sa boss mo. Laking sakit sa ulo ng boss na tong nakikita ko. Some of you gusto nyo nang mag-resign. Yeah, napaka-toxic. Napaka-toxic. No, kung sino man ito. The Devil. Toxic. No? Tingnan natin tong The Emperor. Ano tong The Emperor? Yeah, the Moon. Yeah. Some of you, kapag may mga ganito, like iti-trigger ka, manamaliit ka, just keep quiet. Okay? Maging quiet ka lang. Huwag mong pansinin. Okay? Ayun yung parang isang way para mapahiya sila. Yeah, para mapahiya sila. Kasi parang hindi sila nabibigyang atensyon kapag hindi mo pinansin. Ha? Okay? Ano tong Five of Swords? Itong mga to, ang laki lang ng problema ng mga to eh. Gusto lang talagang paproblemahin ka rin. Yeah, huwag mong pansinin. The Hermit. I-isolate mo yung sarili mo from them. Okay? Hayaan mo silang ma-confuse. Bakit kaya ganun? Hindi ako pinansin. Oo, ni Libra. Hayaan mo sila. Malakas ang impact, no? Sa mga nagmamaliit sa'yo, sa mga gustong manira sa'yo, yung hindi mo sila papansinin. Yes, ang lakas ng impact nan, ang lakas ng epekto nan sa kanila. Kahit wala kang sasabihin, yes. Yan lang ang isang magandang solusyon para matigil yung mga yan. Ganyan lang ang gawin mo. Kahit sila mapagod na sila pag maliit sa'yo, ah, kung ano man, kaka-trigger sa'yo, wag mong pansinin. Hayaan mo silang mapahiya. Okay? Hayaan mo. Okay, next is Scorpio. Okay. Scorpio placements. Anong message for you? Energy check-ins. Okay. Scorpio. Scorpio, the Magician in reverse. Okay, Virgo energy. The Two of Wands. Oh, nagiging moody yung iba sa inyo, no? Oo, nagiging moody. Like, nakakatamad bumangon. Parang ganon. Bakit ganito? Umaga pa lang. Mag-salt bath yung iba. Yeah, mag-salt bath. Okay? The High Priestess. May mga sumasabotahe ng energy mo, Scorpio. Meron. Okay? Kasi parang iba sa inyo is pwedeng may mga ginagawa ng bago. Okay? May changes na paunti-unti. Pero some of them, they're trying to sabotage it. Okay? Focus lang ang kailangan dito. Cleansing for some of you. Sumakit yung leg ko. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. See, this is like wish fulfillment. Yeah, may mga taong sinasabotahe yung energy mo, Scorpio. Okay, hang on. Okay. Don't let your guard down. Okay, may mga energy vampires, paligid mo, Scorpio. Okay, Two of Wands. Yeah, the Moon. Itong mga to kasi pwedeng kabaliktaran ng mga nangyayari sa inyo, ang mga nangyayari sa kanila. Okay, some of them is your friends. Some of them. Okay? Atong High Priestess, Scorpio. High Priestess. Yeah, the Page of Cups in reverse. And the Page of Swords. Ang dami mo pang stalker. Okay, may mga tao dito parang pinag-uusapan ka ng palihim, Scorpio. Yeah. Okay? Andyan yung, hey, si Scorpio, no? Dapat no? Dapat ganyan, ganto yung ginawa niya. Ang TNGA talaga ni Scorpio. Yeah. Okay? Wala silang pakialam dapat. Oo, wala sila. Yeah. Ganun lang ang kaya nila, pero ikaw, marami na ang nagagawa or pwedeng marami ka nang pwedeng gawin. Okay? May mga sinisimulan na yung iba rito. Actually, hindi lahat ng taong nakapaligid sa'yo is natutuwa sa mga nangyayari na sa'yo. Okay? Pasensya na po sa ingay, ha? Okay, so next is Sagittarius. Okay, Sag, anong message for you? Energy check-ins. Okay, Sagittarius, please. Okay. Sag. Death in reverse. Okay, so meron kailangang itigil na dito. Totally. Some of you meron kailangang like balikan. I don't know why. The King of Swords. And the Five of Cups. I think this is closure for some of you. Okay? Closure. Para lubusan ng makatawid. Lubusan ng, makamove on. Okay? Meron ditong person like a Scorpio, Aquarius, water sign, ang gustong magkaroon ng closure with you. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Swords, universe. Pasensya na po, ha, sa ingay. So, death in reverse. What's with death in reverse? The Eight of Pentacles. Alam mo yung past person mo, i-shoot mo ng message, no? Send mo message like, ang tawag doon, short message na nagsasabing about closure, no? Mag-send ka ng message sa kanya yung hindi na kailangang mag-reply yung person. Kung ikaw sa tingin mo kailangan mo ng closure, ikaw mismo magsabi. Kung hindi mo kaya, na ibigay na lang sa sarili mo. Some of you, kailangan mo ikaw na lang yung totally, okay, magbigay. Kahit sabihin natin siya pa yung may kasalanan para matapos. Yes. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, hintay ng hintay eh. Naghihintay ng closure from this person, pero hindi ko nakikita ang gagawin niya yun. Okay? Kung yun lang ang makakatulong sa inyo, then do it. Ha? Gawin nyo. Okay? Gawin nyo. And, wag kayo mag-expect ng something. Okay? Wag nyo nga hayaan yung sarili nyo mag-expect ng reply sa kanila. Kung gusto nyo ng closure, send mo. Mag-send ka ng closure message sa kanya, and then that's it. Yun kung matapang ka. Okay? I don't care kung sino yung may kasalanan, kung sino yung nakipag-break. Kung gusto mo ng closure, ibigay mo yung closure. Okay? Hindi mangyayari ang closure na yan hanggat walang nagawa. Paano kung yun na lang yung talagang paraan mo para makamove on? Para maging okay? And yes, pwedeng ibigay mo sa sarili yung closure. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-message sa kanya. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Swords in reverse. This is closure. Five of Cups in reverse, please. The Two of Swords. Gumawa ka ng decision. Hindi pwedeng yung, ano kayang meron? Ano kayang mangyayari? Huwag nyo hayaan yung sarili sa ganun. Okay? Kung sa tingin nyo, may plano kayo, like, meron kayong idea para maging okay ka, gawin nyo. Gawin nyo. Kailangan nyo lang maging matapang, like the King of Swords. And hindi nyo kailangang magbigay ng emosyon doon sa message na isisend nyo. Okay? Papakita nyo, napakakalmado nyo. Kaya nyo ba yun? Kung kaya nyo yun, gawin nyo. Pero kung hindi, don't. Okay? And please, huwag kayo maghihintay ng reply. Kaya sabi ko, mag-send kayo ng message na hindi kailangang replyan. Kasi this is closure. It's up to them kung re-replyan kayo ng closure din. Okay? So, there. Some of you, nakita ko rito na, papyaw lang, no? Nakita ko rito nang may magre-resign. Okay. Next is Capricorn. So, Capricorn placements. Anong message for you? Capricorns, energy check-ins. Capricorns. The Knight of Swords in reverse. The Page of Wands. Meron ditong urong sulong na fire sign and air sign. Gusto laging makuha yung iyong attention. Virgo placements. The Magician in reverse. Okay, the Ace of Cups, some of them, merong emotion for you. I don't know, nakakuha ko dito na parang awkward, no? Yeah, may nahihiya, parang ganyan. Knight of Swords, please, in reverse. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. You're too detached and cold. That's why, parang itong mga to is, ay baka busy siya, mga ganun. Okay, yeah, death. Some of you, itong taong to is pwedeng iniisip ka ng malala, ganyan. And wala na silang ginawa kundi isipin ka. Gustong makuha yung attention mo. Some of them, they're making black spells. Okay, kahit sabihin natin hindi sila marunong talagang gumawa. Yes, yung iba yan nanonood ng kung ano-anong spell na napapanood nga, no? Yun ang ginagawa nila. Yeah, para lang makuha yung attention mo. Para makausap ka. Okay? Some of you, may mga nagmamanifest na mga ex-lovers. Okay? So, yeah, the Three of Cups in reverse. See? Meron dito kasing gusto makipag-ayos. Totally. Na past person. Okay? Meron ding mga tao rito na parang tinatry na i-trigger ka. Makita yung emosyon mo. Don't let them. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Cups. This is emotion. Itago nyo lang. Some of you, ang tingin sa inyo ng mga tao is napaka-detach nyo at napaka-cold. Napaka-seryoso. Kaya parang feeling nila wala kayong friends. Yeah. Pero mali eh. Yun ang tingin nila sa inyo. Yeah. They're judging you. Yes. May mga taong ginajudge kayo sa kung anong nakikita nila sa inyo. Okay? The Magician, please. In reverse. May past lover ka na talagang gumagawa ng spell. Ayan o. Talagang pinakita pa eh, no? Oo. Yun naman ang sinabi ko kanina. And lumabas pa. Some of them, control na control. Hindi sila gumagawa ng anything. Action, message, wala. Siyempre, pa-strong keme, yan, yung mga person na yan, pa-strong, ganyan. Pero definitely, nakikita ko sa kanila is they are weak. They are weak. Okay? Why? Wala naman kasi silang makuha sa inyong, like, feelings, attention. So, ito lang yung kaya nilang magawa sa inyo. I don't know why. Wala ba bang gusto nila? See? Kunyari, pa-avoid. Kunyari, paalis-alis. Ganyan. But yeah. The Ace of Swords, Universe. Hindi rin naman talaga nila alam kung paanong gagawin without you. Okay? So, yeah. Next is Aquarius. Aquarius placements. So, anong message for you, Aqua? Okay. One more. Aquarius. Okay. Anong message for Aquarius placements? Energy check-ins. Aquarius. Aqua. The Sun in reverse. Leo energy. The Ten of Pentacles in reverse. And the Six of Pentacles. Nakakita ko dito ng inside job. Yeah, this is like career or workplace, an inside job. Someone wants to get your trust. Parang ganyan eh. Parang gusto nila talagang makuha yung loob nyo. No? Pero actually, itong mga to is merong negative na plano. Pwedeng merong something na plan pagdating sa kaperahan mo, Aqua. Yeah. Pag nakuha nila yung pera, tatakbo na lang. I'm channeling. Okay? Some of them, gusto nila pera mo. Kung may pera ka. Meron ditong magnanakaw. Meron ditong magnanakaw. Okay? May nagba-backstab. May magnanakaw ng plano mo, may magnanakaw ng idea mo. So better no na it's secret mo if ever. Lalo na mga projects, okay? Deals like that na patungkol sa kaperahan or sa work mo. Some of them andyan yung ilalaglag ka. I don't know why. Okay? I don't know. Yeah, the Emperor. Meron pang paasang boss. Okay? Nakuha ko rito ng parang blackmailing. Blackmailing. Yeah. Some of you ito medyo mabigat to. Okay, Aqua. Makakita kayo ng something, may marireveal. Pero nandyan yung bayaran para hindi ka magsalita. This is not for all. This is not for all. It's like, mananahimik ka, pero babayaran kita. Or else, I don't know kung ano na. I don't know. Okay? What's with the Six of Pentacles? Six of Pentacles. Ang lalim nito, Aqua. Ang dami ko nakukuhang hindi maganda rito. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin kasi hindi na pwede dito yun. Okay? Baka, alam mo na. Okay? Ito some of you, nakakuha ko dito ng mana. Pwedeng hindi nyo alam yon, wala kayong idea regarding that mana, pero darating ang panahon na makukuha mo yon. Regarding kaperahan, regarding mana. Okay? In the near future for some of you. There's a huge money coming. Days of Cups, Universe, yeah. Kapag may natsugi bells, pag may natsugi bells, something like old na siya, ibibigay niya sa'yo yung pera. I don't know. Pera, bahay, lupa, ari-arian. I don't know. Sa'yo ibibigay. This is not for all. Okay? This is not for all. Okay. Next is Pisces. Okay. Pisces placements. Anong message for you? Pisces. One more. Okay. Pisces. Anong message for Pisces, please? Energy check-ins. The Ten of Pentacles. Ooh, that's kaperahan in general. Okay. This is like pera or commitments, long-term relationship. Okay. The Knight of Swords. Okay. And the Knight of Cups. Nakakarinig ako ng club. Club. Oo. I don't know kung ano yun. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. That's kaperahan. Ano tong Ten of Pentacles? Yeah, there's an offer. In general. Some of you, this is a long-term relationship coming. Okay? Parang meron ditong dalawang tao na ipuperso ka. Okay? One is a water sign. One is an air sign. Na mag-o-offer sa'yo ng long-term relationship. Okay? The Hangman. So, I think nandito yung pag-iisip. I don't know. Pwedeng magdedesisyon ka kung sino sa kanila ang pipiliin mo. Yeah. Knight of Cups, please. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. I guess, ang kailangan mong piliin is yung water sign like you. Yeah, another one. Knight of Wands. Mayroon ditong 3. Okay? Pero ang nakikita ko is a water sign. Hindi ito magbibigay sa'yo ng sakit ng ulo. Okay? A Pisces, to be exact. Yeah, you're a Pisces. Pwedeng pareho kayong Pisces. Okay? Pero in general, a water sign. Okay? This is a love read for you. Yeah. Kung kayo namimili sa ngayon, water sign ang nakikita ko. Yeah, death in reverse. Okay? This is like something like rebirth or clean slate, new beginning. Okay? Some of you, there's like a past person coming around. Pero kung hindi na kayo like parang nagugustuhan nyo, ayaw nyo na yun, then don't. Okay? So, yeah. Ang nakikita ko rito is love and kaperahan. Both. I guess, paparating sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. And that's good. Okay? So, there. Yun ang ating reading for all signs. So, yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. So, bye. Thank you.